Today we're up at the RV factory checking out the all-new 2025 Sabre 36ML fifth wheel here. This is their first prototype. It has 4 slide-outs, rear kitchen kind of setup with a rear deck and loft area for the kids. Check out the huge sofa here in the living room area. You have all linoleum floor up here in this section, even on your slide-out areas. You're going to have that table and chair set up right there. You have large mirrored tinted windows. You step down into the rear kitchen section of the RV. You have beautiful solid surface countertops. You have quite a bit of overhead cabinet space there. Check out the big loft area right there. Great place for the kids to hang out during the day on a rainy day or sleeping at night. Step down into the kitchen, out into the deck area back here. You are going to have little bar area right there. You got TV hookups out here, electric outlet out here as well. Nice sliding glass entry exit door. Looking back at the kitchen area here, again, you can see that huge refrigerator, the big oven. You got that famous TikTok sink with the cup washers and all the sprayers and gadgets and gizmos. You even have a slide-out pantry here in this area. Lots of shelf space, couple drawers built into this as well. Very cool setup for a kitchen back here in the back. Stepping back up into the living room area here, looking forward, you can see, again, huge windows even on that sofa slide over there. You got an ottoman up there, big electric fireplace, huge TV, floating style step here, some controls here on the left. Stepping up into your bedroom area, you can see decent sized bathroom, big fan, big skylight. You have the pull-out linen closet there, foot flush porcelain toilet, step-in shower. Bedroom area right here, you're going to have the king bed, storage under that bed as well. Window on each side of the bed opens. You have a big closet up here in the front area, which does have some shelf and hanging space. Also has the washer dryer hookups in there. Looking back at the bed area right here, you can see it does have kind of a unique headboard that opens up for some hidden storage. Electric outlet, USB charger ports back there as well. You are going to also have your traditional dresser area here at the foot of the bed, a little bit of shelf space, big window again, TV hookups and stuff as well. So you have a very cool, new, unique prototype floor plan here for Sabre. For more information and stuff, please be sure to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, guys. They're one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. They should definitely be able to help save you a lot of money on a new RV if you're interested. And as always, if you don't mind, please remember to smash that like button. And as always, please remember to subscribe if you haven't done so as well. Thanks a ton, guys, for watching my RV videos. Much appreciated.